What's up, guys? I am so excited you're back here again this week. I'm Lori, and this week I'm going to be attempting buttercream carving. It's kind of like when you use a tool and you carve clay or candles, except we're doing it with icing. I've seen it on the internet, I wanted to do it, so we're doing it. And thank you so much to Function of Beauty for sponsoring this week's video. Inspired by their gorgeous array of colors from their custom formulated hair product, I baked some super colorful cakes to match, and I'm just going to take these cakes out of their pan, carve off that caramelization, and make some perfect little layers to layer up my cake. That's really too tall. I'm gonna shave it down. So I'm going to layer this up with Italian meringue buttercream. For this, I need it to dry rock hard and kind of cool in the fridge so that way I can really carve each layer out. American buttercream doesn't do that. It does more of a crusted buttercream. So I'm just gonna layer it up with this, and then each layer of icing that I'm gonna do on the outside is gonna be a different color, so that way when you carve the shapes of the snowflake through, you're gonna see all the different colors, but I'm gonna have to chill between each layer of icing. So this is gonna be a lot of waiting. Me waiting, not you waiting. We're gonna speed it up because it's YouTube. I'm just gonna pop this in the freezer now and see if it firms up a little bit so I can finish icing it. So I just popped that back in the freezer. I feel like this video is a lot of me taking the cake in and out of the freezer, but I did notice that when you put the cake in the freezer after putting the icing on and you took it out, you could smooth it better. For this second layer, I'm thinking I'm gonna do a blend of pink and purple together, kind of marbled-ish. Well, I'm loving the way that this is looking, although I feel like you're not gonna see any of it once we carve through, because you're really only gonna see sections of it. But this needs to go back in the freezer to chill, and then I get to make my final coat of blue icing before we get to the fun stuff. My cake is in the freezer and I'm almost ready to start carving this snowflake. I love winter. It is my favorite time of year, except I hate what winter does to my hair. It makes it so dry and staticky, and that is why I wanted to tell you guys about our sponsor, Function of Beauty. Since my hair changes with the season, my custom shampoo and conditioner formula changes too. They create 100% custom shampoo and conditioners based on your hair type and your hair goals, so you guys don't have to compromise. I've been using their products for over a year, and for the winter season, my custom formula has fixed split ends, hydrate, oil control, volumize, and anti-frizz. You even get to choose your own color and scent. I love these colors, and I love the nude peach. so good. I love the way these products make my hair look and feel. I would never go back to off-the-shelf shampoo and conditioner when you can have them completely custom to what your hair goals and needs are. They are so custom that your name is literally even on the bottle. They only use clean ingredients. They don't have any of these crazy things in them, and they don't test on animals. They are 100% vegan and cruelty-free, which I love and is so important to me. If you guys want to try it out, all you have to do is complete a 2-minute hair profile quiz at functionandbeauty.com. Choose your hair type, 5 goals, and your personalized color and scent. You guys can click below to get 20% off your own custom formula. So I just took this cake out of the freezer. I tried to touch up a couple spots that seemed a little bit messy, and it changed color. I have no idea why it changed color, and I was freaking out for a second, and then I was remembering that this is a snowflake cake, and it kind of looks a little bit frosted and marbly, so I'm kind of digging it. So I'm gonna keep doing that and let it marble all over. Now it's all accidentally purposely marbled. At least it's all looking consistent. So for the snowflake carving, I've got these pottery tools that have like a sharp edge so we can carve through the buttercream. Fun fact, my mother-in-law does pottery, so I'm not a super stranger to these tools. I've done some pottery stuff, not much. I feel like we just carve it, and I've got hot water here, so I can dip in the hot water. It's warm, so it'll glide through better. That's my plan. It's working. It's working. Okay. Next decision. I feel like every single time I take a chunk out of this, I'm so uncertain and so unconfident of what I'm doing and if this is gonna look good in the end. But snowflakes are unique. I mean, there's never 2 snowflakes alike, right? I am super happy with that one. I mean, that is a snowflake. That there is a snowflake. I'm gonna try a bit more challenging one. Hopefully it goes as smoothly. Not to toot my own horn or anything, but I feel like I could switch careers and be a professional snowflake carver. Thank you guys so much for watching, and thanks to Function Beauty for sponsoring this week's video. We are now finished for Christmas holidays, so I will see you guys again in January. I hope you guys all have a Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays with your families. See you in the new year. Cue sexy B-roll.